paper. We use it every day. Where does it all come from? Where does the process begin? At the Domtar paper mill in Johnsonburg. What's so cool about manufacturing? Let's find out.
My name is Greg Scott.
I'm John Zimmerman.
My name is Tony Casilio.
Hi, I'm Jackie Lundy.
I'm General Manager for Domtar Paper Company.
I'm fourth assistant at the Domtar Johnsonburg mill.
Senior environmental engineer here at the Johnsonburg Domtar mill.
I'm an administrative assistant at the paper mill.
Making paper involves a lot of processes here. We have our own power generation where we have power boilers that produce electricity and steam for the process. We bring in wood chips and process wood chips through the pulp mill and make bleach pulp. And from there it goes on to the paper machines where we make a lot of different products. Envelope, book paper, copy paper, could be paper for catalogs or just writing paper. Well, there's a lot of different jobs here. We need mechanics, we need electricians, accountants, engineers, operators. It takes a lot to come together to operate the mill, maintain it, and support it.
I work in the power utility recovery department. My day mostly consists of running tests and just doing rounds, checking on the boilers, make sure nothing's leaking, everything's running good, checking on the turbine generator, checking on the kiln. We basically provide steam for the paper machines.
Work in the EHS department, EHS standing for Environmental Health and Safety. And as you can imagine, we're heavily regulated by OSHA, DEP, and EPA, and a number of other agencies. With that being said, one of our most important things is to keep people safe in the daytime. We're committed to reducing risk, eliminating pollution, and continually improving our processes. One of the oldest and longest lasting forms of communication we still have today is paper. We're proud to be part of that process.
I work in the areas where they make the power that generates the steams and that runs the paper machines. And I also work in the pulp area, which is where they take the wood chips and they turn it into the pulp that then is made into the paper. I do something different every day.
Domtar, manufacturing paper with pride.